Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, so now let's move on. No? But related graduate na siya ang tanan. So, we already have talked about letter.
Literature.
Okay, so sunod na ni sila, no? Sige, kumuha na kung hello, you say hi. Hello? Hi! No, ayun na Hello, hi. Hello, hi. Ngayon na kung hello, mga na mo hi. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Hello?
Hi!
Hello?
Hi!
Hello?
Hi!
Hi?
Hello!
Hindi ko. Wala. Okay, so nakita na ko nga na-alive mong tanan. And now, I have kuan dire kana paansiran. Okay, so can you guess this jumbled letter in 3 seconds? 1, 2, 3, go!
What is a good literature review?
Very good. So, hello kayo lagi mo. Okay, so maayo mo mukha no. So, yeah, hey, you got it. Qualities of a good literature review. Today, we're going to talk about the qualities of a good literature
Review.
Okay, so another. In 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, go! Very good. Literature review. Okay, can you read?
Gathering relevant information on a particular subject of subject.
Okay, so di ba gitok naman na ni Jasmine nga ang literature review kay mo gather of relevant information. Importante ba siya sa to ang research?
Yes.
Why? Yes, mao mo support. Mao say mo give of
Data.
ha?
Existing information.
Evidence. How about evidence? Muhatag ba siya?
Yes.
Yes, aron ma-prove nga ang ato ang research is
Strong.
strong. Very good. Okay. So, there are 10 qualities. So, first, let's talk about, can you read first? So, kanang duha, basta ha. It must strike, again. 1, 2, 3, go!
It must strike a balance between sources supporting and opposing a particular aspect or argument. It should be wide enough to cover or provide enough information required on the subject.
Okay, so, ang sa una, ang iya gipasabot is, kinahanglan siya og sunod. Kinahanglan balance ang imuhang support nga evidence o sa mo-oppose sa imuhang evidence. Di ba, importante sad siya in finding finding the literature review is ato yung tan-ang kung align ba siya sa to ang research topic. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so the next one is it should be wide enough. So, what do you mean by wide enough?
Broad.
Okay, so broad? Okay, pwede. So ma-cover diya ang unsa ang naa sa imuhang research. And so aron, unsa ganito ang pinaka-importante? Aron mas strong ang atoang
Study.
atoang study. Okay, so next one is okay, so please read.
It must be narrow enough to relate relevant information from your research. Students should be prioritized reliable sources by using books and journals for their literature review. If they use articles from other researchers, those articles must be peer-reviewed.
Okay, so meaning dapat daw narrow enough to eliminate irrelevant information. So, kinahanglan nga ka na mag-focus jud siya. Mag-focus jud ta sa kana nga asa jud siya ang impact sa imuhang study. And so, ang mga irrelevant information is ato siyang ma-eliminate. So, haron, di na siya sa gabal sa tuwang studies. So, the next one is, ang student is, dapat mo prioritize sa siya. O kapag yung balik na, reliable sources. By using, kung sa man tong mga reliable sources, the books, journals, di ba? So, kapo ng mga na-review na nga mga kanang study. studies. Yes. So, muna na siya. Next. So, the writer must follow the stipulated formatting style. So, in literature review set, di ba, kanang kita as mga researchers, so in writing a literature review, no, di ba, ibutaw mag-cite man dito, so dapat sakto pod ang atoang formatting style. And also, the sources must be relevant and authoritative. So, also din ang relevant, guys.
Related.
Yes, very good. So, directly relate to your research topic. How about authoritative? They are from credible, expert, or kung asa dito siya nagikan. Okay, so the next one, it should not necessarily be organized. So, kanin siya na ang gikasabot niya nga, dili lang dahil kunuta mo follow nga kanang as in sequence jud. Naay nakaingon diri o nga kanang arrange the literature based on the importance. So, dili lang dahil siya kanang sa organized, kundi sa iyang importance sa ato ang research study. Next, so it must clearly address the research question. So, address. So, kinahanglan dyan siya clear. No? Clear. Okay, so the next one would be kanang identify studies and models that support your topic. So, sabot-tabong naman, no? So, kinahanglan i-identify nato ang makita nato dito ang mga studies and models that support our topic. And then, we have it should define K-terms. So, nakabantay ba mo in literature review? So, naadyan siya mga K-terms. Kanang ipang-highlight nga kanang mga lisod nga words ba? So, naasad na siya. So, a good qualities of a literature review. Dayon, it must lay strong foundation. So, di ba, ang iyong giingon, the literature review is the foundation sa imong study aron mahimo na siyang strong and nakaka-evidence nga mapakita or to prove. Okay, so that's it. And next, so those are the qualities of good literature review. Okay, so how to conduct a literature review? So first, scan through. So diba, naman din niya nga teacher, which is Ma'am Comeros, said that ato lang siyang tanawon kuno sa yes, kung na-align ba. Di ba na may uban niya, ang title is parehas sa imuha. But, pagbasa mo sa abstract is layo ra siya. So, dili na siya pwede. So, katong, bisag layo siya nga ang katong iyang title, but igabot siyang abstract is tumpa kayo sa imong research study, so go. So, kato siya ang exact. Okay, another is evaluate the source for relevance and quality. So, muna siya, i-evaluate dyan nato kung relevance ba dyan siya sa to ang study. So, usa na siya ka, importante, no? So, muna siya. Okay, so, nakasabot na ba mo?
Yes.
Again, nakasabot na ba mo?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's proceed to types of sources. So, what are the two types of sources?
Primary and secondary.
Okay, kung muna ta primary sources.
First,
Wait, nangutan ako sa ng primary sources.
first na
Very good, original, Jud. Yeah, how about the secondary? Yes.
Sa primary.
Very good. So, na-adjud mo ko ano. So, we all know that literature refers to the collection of scholarly writings on a topic. Okay. So, this includes peer-reviewed articles, books, dissertations, and conference papers. Okay, so here it is. So, primary sources is used broadly to embody all sources that are original. Okay, so the key point here is the original or the originality. So it provides first-hand information that is closest to the object of study. Primary sources vary by discipline. So meaning, siya gyud ang nagmugna anak or the first hand who make that study. Okay, so na siya ang primary sources. So what are some examples of primary sources? Give me one.
article.
News articles. Another.
Journal.
Journals. Another. Diary. Very good. Another.
Book sa una.
Okay, so Okay, so please read from there to there. Go!
Speeches, letters, diaries, autobiographies, interviews, official reports, court records, artifacts, photographs, and drawings.
Okay, so those are an example of a primary sources. So, have you noticed nung magikan jud siya sa kanang original jud siya? Oh, so wala pa siya gi-translate. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so how about the secondary sources? When we say secondary sources, it is a source that provides okay, or second hand. Okay, second hand ha? Or information. So secondary sources are written about primary sources. Kung unsa to ang gibuhat sa primary sources is iyahang gi-translate or iyahang gipunan ing ana. So mo na siya matawag na to nga secondary sources. Okay, so can you read?
Research summaries
Reported in textbooks, magazines, and newspapers
are considered secondary sources. They typically provide global descriptions of results with few details on the methodology.
Okay, so naa siya gate, makonsider daw siya ang textbook, magazines, and newspapers are considered secondary sources. So ano kaano nga considered niya nga di ba originality man to second hand man ang secondary. So anong na-appeal diri ang textbook? Ngano kaha para sa inyo ha? Ngano kaha ang magazine, ang newspapers? Ngano kang na-appeal sila as secondary sources? Okay, so naay uban ng mga textbook is ilaha nang giusab. No, dili gyud siya mao ang katong original. So magazines, so nasa kuan nga moto nga ang newspaper sad so nasa to mga opinionated na gikan na no gikan na dito nya ilaha na din gi-translate so mo na siya ang what we call the secondary
Secondary
Okay, so
sources.
give an example of secondary sources.
Biography.
Another, ha? Libro?
Magazine. Textbook. Textbook.
Okay, pwede na.
Books. Books of books.
Okay, so mga critical studies of an author's work. So basta diwan ninyo ang secondary sources is mo na tong ilahag i-translate ang primary sources niya dili nila originality nga gibuhat ka to. Okay, so I think okay, so kuan sa ta magkuan sa kog gamay. Okay, so ibutang ni kung primary or secondary. Okay, so please listen. Kung ana ko og Diary of an Immigrant from Vietnam, primary or secondary?
Primary.
How about Biography of a Playwright?
Secondary.
Very good. How about Video of a Performance?
Secondary.
Video of a
Primary.
performance? Very
Video.
good. How about article critiquing the piece of art?
Primary.
What?
Primary.
Secondary.
Like article. Okay. So how about the report of an original experiment?
Primary.
How about the original artwork?
Primary.
Review of several studies on the same topic? Very
Secondary.
good. Okay, so that's it. Thank you, everyone.
Yay.